Hello everyone and welcome back. Just trying to make a video about some wild plum trees that I have growing on the other property. Um, Basically this mess here, there's a whole pile of dead branches and stuff, but whichever still has green on it, I still want to try to keep, but basically all the dead stuff I want to try to cut off. This here, I think it might be a wild plum tree also. I'll keep that, but you can see that there's kind of tallish grass and stuff. I'm going to try to cut that down too with a lawnmower. These have been here for years, so you can see that there's some that are kind of bent over. I think some of them are dead, but I don't know. I remember having plums once from this here, which they're very good. Not sure what these things are, kind of sticking off the leaves, but yeah, I'm just gonna try to clean things up a bit. I remember that there used to be like I guess runners like underground, and there'd be new trees that would pop up. So that's one of the things that I'm hoping is going to happen once I cut the grass or all the weeds here. That new shoots will start coming up, so I can try to still have some of the trees, plum trees coming up. So here we have some apple trees. There's one apple tree here. I'm not sure. The apples look similar to like a Macintosh, but I'm not sure if it's actually Macintosh or not. But anyways, that's basically it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, I'm back again. Sorry if it's kind of bright, but anyways, this is the wild plum tree that they had mentioned about before. It had all the it had a whole pile of dead branches on it, which I cut off just to, I guess, give it some space. And hopefully, when it rains, it's supposed to rain the next 2 days. Hopefully, I had raked up all the stuff off the ground, all the dead leaves and branches, and I had put a tree fertilizer, not a fertilizer specifically for fruit trees, because it's already midsummer and there's no fruit on the trees. I just put the fertilizer just to help get some more green on the tree. So I guess I'll see over time to see how it turns out. Hopefully it's gonna do better, and hopefully I'll get some more shoots from the ground, some more smaller trees coming up. So anyways, thanks again for coming to watch, and I hope to talk to you guys later on or soon. Bye bye.